Hi everyone, I'm going to demonstrate how to download a file and make a copy of it, put it in your Google Drive. So for example, let's say you want to make a copy of this file, the checklist. So you click on it. Right now it's view only, so you can't make any adjustments to it. And you can't make a copy of it. You have to sign in first. So click on the sign in button and then sign into your Google account. And once you've signed in, click File, Make a Copy, Entire Presentation. And then you can rename it. And then you can put it in any folder you want in your drive. I'm just going to leave mine in my drive. And you click OK. And now this becomes your copy, so you can edit it. I'm going to zoom in. So let's say you want to put your name right here. So click the text box, click and drag, and type in your name. You can do the same with all of these. So let's say you're finished, and then you want to see where it's automatically saved. So let's say you want to see where in your drive this file is. So you click a new tab, then you click Google Apps, click Drive, and it's right here. It's under My Drive.